So what's good, YouTube? How you doing? And welcome to another PROPFIRM trading journey. Last time I lost my 5k PROPFIRM account with bitfunded because of some certain reasons I outlined, and I have to acknowledge those reasons, then learn from it. So I lost that account before due to FOMO, due to the urgency to make money, due to greed, you understand, so due to fear. So that was why I lost the account, and I lost that account because I wasn't paying attention to my strategy. I wasn't focusing on one pair, you understand. So now I've gotten another new PROPFIRM account with also bitfunded. Then this time I've outlined those reasons that made me to fail that account, that previous account, and I'm looking forward to just stick to my roots this time, just trade only one pair and follow my strategy, you understand. This time I'm just going to be focusing on one pair, which is BTC USDT. I know bitfunded offers varieties of crypto pairs up to like the 5k account offers up to like 100 crypto pairs for you to trade from, but I'm just focusing on BTC because there's a way my strategy works, understand. One pair, one strategy, one A+ setup. So I got this account the beginning of July, and today is the 8th of July. Although I've already taken 2 trades, and those trades were losses. I took one during the weekend, was on Sunday or something, or Saturday. Then I took one yesterday. The 2 were losses. So I'll have to show you guys the trade I took. So let's get on to the charts. This was the trade I took during the weekend, and this was the one I took yesterday. So what did I see? And I saw that price broke this structure to the downside, then went in for this my fair value gap, this FVG, this imbalance right here. So I went out to the 15-minute time frame and I saw a confirmation of 50. So I took this trade. So during the weekend, price kind of consolidated around this my entry between my stop loss. Then finally during on Monday or Sunday of it, we saw a breakout, making a change of character. So I got stopped out, and the market made another market structure shift, breaking above this high. You can see that this impulsive move right here was a break of structure. So I waited for price to come down to this zone right here, and I also went down to 15-minute time frame for my confirmation, and I took the confirmation. I saw the confirmation and I took the trade. So I got stopped out again. So you can see that one thing about me is that I don't cut losses whenever I'm in a trade. Is it that trade gets to my TP or it hits my stop loss? So I don't cut losses. I don't take partial. You understand? So right now we are still seeing that price have made a change of character and a market structure shift. You see that price broke above this level right here, and we went down and created this inducement right here, and we are currently tapping on this other block. So I've gone down to the 15-minute time frame, and I'm waiting for a double top rejection from this zone for me to take my short position. You can see that my stop loss this area right here above this $109,000. So let me go down to the 15-minute time frame. This is the 15-minute time frame, and as you can see, the price just broke down from this other block that we have in here, and I'm waiting to have another pullback to this place, kind of creating a double top, then a rejection to this other block before I'm looking to take my short position. I'm looking to enter this trade, you understand. So this is my strategy. That's why I love confirmation entry, because it stops me from taking unnecessary trades or unnecessary losses. So that is it, guys. If a price plays out as I expect, then I'll be looking to take this short position on BTC. So guys, that was all for the trades I took. The first trade I lost around $52, and the second trade was $49. So I'll post the screenshot on the screen. My stop loss will be at 1% because I'm trying to risk 1% of the account. So it will take me 8 consecutive losses to lose this PROPFIRM account. So let's just see how it goes. Let's see what this week has in store for us. Catch you guys later. Guys, I'm currently on this trade right now, so let me go down to the 50-minute time frame to show you my confirmation. So I said earlier on that once price goes back up and creates a bearish candlestick pattern, then I'll be looking to enter the trade. As you can see, the price moved up, went down and got rejected again, and I decided to enter this trade at the close of this bearish candlestick formation here. As you can see that this is a double top, and that's my strategy. Once I see a break of structure or a change of character, I wait for a pullback into another block of favor lookup. Then I'm waiting for this pattern, this rejection to form. Is it that I'm going long, I'm going short, then I enter the trade. As you can see that I placed this trade on the bitfunded account, and I'm currently up in profit at about $9 in profit now. So let's see how this guys, let's see how it goes. So what's up guys, today is Wednesday, and BTC is currently pumping right now. The market is currently breaking highs, and the trade we took yesterday, although it danced around between our entry and stop loss, but the trade eventually hit my stop loss. So guys, this is the trade. As you can see that we entered around this level. This was yesterday. The market almost stopped us out, just few pips before it hit our stop loss, but eventually got reversed. Then the market kind of danced around between our entry and stop loss, but today a price eventually hit stop loss impulsively. As you can see that although we are having FOMC coming up later in the evening by 7 p.m, market is literally pumping towards the FOMC meeting. But I think when the news comes out, the FOMC news, we might see a little bit of dip before another upward movement, because I think that once BTC breaks these highs at around the $109,000 435, we could see a rocket to the upside. We might even break the $110,000 barrier between today or tomorrow. So I'm kind of positioning myself for a long entry now. Once BTC clear these highs with a candlestick close, I'll be waiting for a retracement to clear out this imbalance we're having here before a move to the upside. That is it for the trade, and let's quickly take a look at the chart now. So let's see what the market is doing right now and how I can position myself to get in on a long position. Right now guys, altcoins are beginning to wake up heavily. As you can see that these are the top 100 cryptocurrencies, the top 100 altcoins. As you can see that Radium is up by 12%, Curve CRV is up by 8%, Polygon up by 7%, and XLM as the highest gainer is up by 15% just for today on the daily time frame. So let's quickly take a look at BTC. Let's see what Bitcoin is doing today. So as you can see that we broke out of this bull flag right here. As you can see that this was a resistance for Bitcoin. We kind of break out, then tested this line as support, tested this bull flag as support. Then we are about to break above this resistance over here. I think before the week runs out, we might break above this $111,000 barrier. If you see, let me pull up the stochastic RSI. This is the stochastic RSI, and you can see that we are about crossing the the orange line again. Once we cross the orange line with an upward push to the 87 to $90 line, we could see BTC break above this resistance level over here. And once BTC breaks above this level, there are no more resistance for Bitcoin again. You can see that Bitcoin might easily go up as high as a $120,000 or to $130,000. So you can see that. So if BTC breaks above this level, so I have some potential price targets for BTC. If I take my FIP from the high to this low, you can see that there are some potential price target like the 618. Once BTC breaks above this resistance here, the first target is the 1.618 and the second target is the 2.618, and the third target for me is the 3.618. As you can see that there is a massive level over that I marked out that price might get to. I think that once BTC breaks above this resistance level right here, altcoins are going to pump massively. Like altcoins are going to gain. Like we are going to see an altcoin catch up. First of all, we are going to see the top 100 or the top 50 altcoins catch up to Bitcoin before the mid caps and also the low caps. So that's it for this analysis, guys. Don't forget to also like and follow my channel for more. You can also follow my free Telegram community. The link is in my bio. So guys, today is Saturday. We're on the weekend, and right now we are massively bullish. Like Bitcoin just broke above the $110,000 resistance, and we are currently reaping. Like we are reaping. You understand? So I think it's time that we see a proper alt season, because like I told you guys that once Bitcoin breaks above this resistance level, that we are going to see a push on the market, then other altcoins will follow. Right now, XRP, XLM, Ethereum, Solana, those coins, those high cap coins, and some of the top 10 or top 20 cryptocurrencies by market cap are currently pumping right now. Although on the shorter time frame, we are seeing a little bit of a retracement. So I took 3 losses this week, although it was actually 2 losses this week. Then the first loss I took was last week during the weekend when I entered the trade. Then during this week, I took 2 trades, and which were losses. Then in total, I have 3 consecutive losses in a row. So it's just BTC. I'm just only going to be trading BTC per team. I passed the bit funded challenge. So let's quickly take a look at the market razor. Let's quickly take a look at BTC from the daily to the 1 hour, and also take a look at the USDT dominance and also the Bitcoin dominance. Now, this is BTC on the daily time frame. As you can see that we have this spike to the upside, breaking above this $110,000 resistance level. So I said once we could break above this resistance on the daily time frame with a candlestick close, we are going to see an upward movement. And there is one thing I want you guys to pay attention to before you start buying at spot, or if you are a leverage trader, before you start opening long positions. Now, as you can see that these are 3 consecutive candlesticks, bullish candlestick right here, and as you can see that there is an imbalance right here. This is a fair value gap, and we might see a retracement to fill out this gap before a continuation to the upside. So this is the fair value gap I'm marking out, and if we take a look at the stochastic RSI, you can see that it is right now oversold at the top. So we might see a little bit of a retracement to fill out these levels before another continuation to the upside. Nevertheless, we are still bullish, but if you are a trader looking to open a long position because maybe you could not catch the breakout before it happened, looking to get in on this trade, you can as well set a buy limit order at around $113,000 or $113,800 for you to get this entry. You understand? So you will not miss out on the move. So let's quickly go over to the hourly time frame. Right now, Bitcoin has been consolidating around this this region right here, and altcoins are beginning to drop. Like you can see that the altcoins here, you can see that ROSS3 is down 5%, BIM is down 3%, while Bitcoin is still ranging around this level. So we might see a pullback to this other block right here, which I marked out before we see a bounce. Why did I say we might see a pullback? Now, if you look at when price break out, creating this other block, it left an imbalance right here with a liquidity, and price might come down, might change character, come down, sweep this liquidity right here, bounce on this zone before we see another continuation to the upside. So I'll kind of, on the lower time frame, be positioning myself for a short position right here. Once price make a change of character right here, I'll be looking for it makes a change of character. I'm looking for a pullback into an order block or a fair value gap to capitalize on this short position in case if price comes out to clear out this imbalance right here before we have a push to the upside. And this is the Bitcoin dominance, and as you can see, we could not break above this level right here, above the 55% level. So we had a drop, creating this head and shoulders pattern, breaking below this low, and right now it seems as if the Bitcoin dominance is going right back up to test this level before another drop. And why are we paying attention to the Bitcoin dominance? Is because the earlier Bitcoin dominance starts dropping, the better for altcoins, because you can see that over the past months or past weeks, BTC has been outperforming the crypto market. So as soon as we see a drop on dominance, maybe the dominance breaking this trend line, that this support trend line over here, we could really see an altcoin catch up. We will see majority of the altcoins pumping 200%, 300% just in a single day. So we really need the drop of this dominance for we to see an altcoin rally. For analysis, and there is one annoying thing about this rally of a team that we're having, is that it really gives you as in good entries. You understand? I don't know if you understand what I mean. Like, based on your strategy you are trading with, maybe you are a day trader, you trade on the lower time frame, when you sometimes mark out your zones and price really comes down to your zone, like to give you good entries, it just seems as if maybe price is just pumping like in a straight line, just going up. You understand? But nevertheless, I'm still going to wait for my strategy, like wait for my setup to play out, because I know the market is pumping, but that doesn't mean I should just maybe enter on a long position, like, oh, the market is pumping, I know it will pump, I will just enter on a long position. No, it will in time like wreck the account. So I don't want that. I knew what happened with the previous account I got. I passed phase 1, but I had to blow that account during phase 2 because I was not paying much attention to my strategy. So I'm just going to be waiting for my setup to play out. If it plays out, I take the trade. If it's lost, it's a win. So I've taken 3 losses, and I'll be looking forward to next week, what the opportunity that the market will give me next week. So nevertheless, we still keep on pushing. And another thing, guys, we need to position ourselves to make money this bull market, this hot season, because this is a once in a lifetime opportunity. If you miss out on this bull run, on this hot season, then you are going to wait for the next cycle, which would be 3 years after, or maybe if there could be another hot season. So it's kind of this is kind of the last chance we got for we to quit our jobs and to be financially free, and we are going to do it with crypto. So if you are just coming across this channel for the first time, do make sure to hit the like and subscribe button. As you can see that we have only 28 subscribers, bro. Just make sure you help the channel grow by subscribing. Peace out.